Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2015 Chevy Camaro maintenance light reset. Now we're going to be using these buttons over here. There's a set button, set and clear button. There's a menu button right here, and there's a scroller right here, and we're going to be using those to reset the light. Now we're going to use this screen right here. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. As you can see, oil life remain is just 7%. Now you go ahead and use that menu button and go ahead and click it. Keep clicking it until you find
September 8th, 2020. Off not valid in Puerto Rico. For more information, visit B.
Sorry about that. Until you find this. Now when you get here, go ahead and click that set button. Now use the scroller to go scroll up to yes. Click the set button again. And there it is, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.